My loves, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. I am Ty, or she's underscore a beauty on all socials, and today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial. Yes girl. So I will be talking through this video, and if you want to see all the items that I'm using, I'll be posting the names of them and their numbers on the screen. And like I said in the last video, I ended up getting a new phone, so I'll be having different angles and different point of views with the cameras now going forward instead of the webcam. And if you want to see the last video, it was a vlog going through a calm Sunday with me. The next video will be a skincare routine, so I'll have all the links since they all go together in each of the descriptions in case you want to see them all. But yes, I'm gonna just ramble a little bit. If you care to hear me talk, if you want, you can mute it. I don't know, whatever makes you comfortable. But if anybody's watching this as a parent, can you guys tell me, what am I supposed to be expecting next? Because I have a 5-year-old and I'm a first-time parent. I didn't really grow up around a lot of kids. And this whole thing, I feel like everything that I'm learning with her is like, I feel like I'm the one that needs to catch up. Almost as if she's outgrowing me. It's like every other day is something new. And I'm the one baby stepping it, I guess you can say. She started kindergarten where we live now. And that was a process in its own just to get her set up. And on her first day, of course, I cried. Like, I'm a mom and I'm a sensitive one at that. Yeah, day 2, I let her go up to class on her own, which was hard. I was looking back and I was like, wait, she looks so unsure, but now she's getting in the swing of things. Now we're considering putting her on the bus because it has been a struggle between the both of us and only having one vehicle. So I'm trying to rip the bandage off with that. I'm thinking to put an Apple AirTag in her book bag and her shoes, stitching one in her shirt. I know I'm being dramatic, but that's my baby. I adore her. Like, I don't want anything to happen to her or even the thought of anything happening. So I just want to keep her as safe as possible, as much as possible, while still giving her the room to really grow on her own. And I'm having such a hard time with that. But I talked to my mom about it and she said it's normal, it's to be expected. So I guess there's that little bit of comfort. Okay, aside from parent talk, lately I've really been thinking about how I want to be a contributor to my community. I am going to school for behavioral health science and I want to help people when it comes to like their mental health and just things of that nature, working through things so that they can be the best version of themselves. And I feel like that's the best way that I can, but I need to figure out how to get my foot in the door, especially because of the fact that I'm still in school and things are not as simple as they could be right now to where I can just jump in. But if I could figure out how to get my foot in some type of door and start making that happen, that would be a blessing. I also considered joining the church as far as being a member or a volunteer. Now, I was thinking about that. I still want to decide on if I for sure want to be just an attendee to that church or to venture out and explore another one. But I don't know. I've been feeling really comfortable, and the pastor, he's even reached out to check on me, which I thought was like really nice, just to make sure I'm still okay and if I need anything. So it's that type of fellowship and sense of community that I'm looking for. So I am leaning strongly towards staying there. However, as far as my goal to actually start contributing, I'm definitely considering becoming a part of that in that type of way, as far as volunteering and doing whatever is needed for me in that type of environment as well. Also, don't let me forget to share with you all, I finally hit 500 on TikTok. Yay, I'm so happy. I know it may not be a big deal to a lot of people, because to some it is easy to gain a lot of followers, especially quickly, but it's been really hard for me. And I don't know if it's because of my calm nature. I know that my type of content can be boring to some people because I am really calm and slow paced at times. The fact that I was able to gain 500 authentic followers, it actually feels really good. It's a small win to some, but it's a win to me. It's something that I'm very grateful for and happy about. And I also hit 350 on YouTube, so I'm just happy, y'all. And I appreciate y'all. I know, again, to some it's like, oh, that ain't nothing, or that's small, or whatever may have you. But to me, it's a big deal, and I'm grateful. And it's the fact that I'm building a small community in hopes of it becoming something bigger later. So shout out to y'all, okay? I'll be honest, I'm not that big of a talker unless I'm extremely comfortable, and I'm starting to run out of things to say. I promise I'll get better within time, but I'm just gonna let the music play out for the next few minutes and I'll be back, y'all. Alright, and I am almost done with this makeup tutorial, so if you watched through the whole thing and listened to me ramble or whatever way you participated with me today, I appreciate you so much. If you have any suggestions or a certain look you want me to do, as always, please leave your girl a comment. I will check them and I will do it. I pinky promise. And as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I am so grateful. Please leave a like. It would do me a big favor. Subscribe to join my small community. Leave a comment, even if it's just something nice. It's always greatly appreciated. And just as a reminder, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. You are loved. You are appreciated. And you are doing so much better than you're giving yourself credit for. I know I say this at the end of every video, but it's true. And I feel like not only you all need to hear it, I need to hear it for myself. We all need these reminders that we are okay and we are going to be okay. And if I gotta be that reminder for you all every single time you click on my page, I am going to do that. I got you. I will see you all on the next one through my lens. You all stay blessed, and I will see you next time. Bye.